सास बहू और बेटिया पे आपको मिलवाते हैं एक प्यारी सी बेटी से जो कि टेलीविजन की बेटी रह चुकी है और इन दिनों काफ़ी कमाल कर रही है। उनकी फिल्म भी आने वाली है, उनके बैक टू बैक सॉन्ग्स आ रहे हैं। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सुरभि ज्योति। कैसी हो तुम?
I am so well. I'm so happy to see you. And please always be the same, smiling and happy to see me, and always like with such enthusiasm. I think that's one thing that I like the best in you.
थैंक यू सो मच। वैसे साथ ही में सास बहू और बीरा के साथ आपका रिश्ता बहुत सालों पुराना है, सो क्या कहेंगे आप?
I'm so glad actually. It really feels like home now. When I was doing my first show, तब भी आप लोग आते थे, and now when I am doing my first movie, here we are again together. So it's like, you know, when people become an important part of your journey, then you really feel like sharing your stuff with them, that, you know, अभी ये हो रहा है, अभी वो हो रहा है. So it's always an amazing feeling.
In fact, we remember coming on your sets of Kabul है and you're doing some activities, some segments and all. So तब से लेकर अब तक की जर्नी की अगर हम बात करें, so already we all are watching. Surabhi is growing day by day. Lastly we saw you in Nagin. So उसके बाद किस तरह से बदल गई है चीज़ें?
See, Nagin के बाद, of course, we started shooting for this film, and because of lockdown, it was on hold. But yeah, simultaneously, I did couple of songs, and which are still doing amazing. And now finally the movie is also releasing. There are other projects also in pipeline, and I really hope whatever I do, जैसे आप हमेशा से प्यार करते रहें, आगे भी करते रहेंगे.
साथ ही में सुरभि, you worked on your personality a lot. Like we can see the difference वो वाली और अभी वाली सुरभि. So कितना खुद पर work किया गया है?
Yeah, I think it wasn't a very conscious effort. I am a person who always loved to grow. So yeah, I think I was always very conscious about the fact that I have to grow. So I think वो gradually जो growth होती है, that is something that you're talking about, and I'm really happy कि जो मेरा goal था, I'm achieving that, and my goal is always to grow.
And we are seeing all your Insta post also. यार कितने अच्छे photos, कैसे?
क्योंकि I think I just try and keep it as original as possible. I just don't try too hard, because मुझे एक बात समझ में आ गई that people love Surbhi Jyoti. You know, so then I don't have to be like someone else. I don't have to pretend that, you know, maybe this will suit me or that will suit me. So whatever I used to do, बहुत शुरू से ही लोगों ने प्यार दिया है. So I just try and stick to that.
And your first film is coming, your debut film is coming. So what do you want to say about that? क्योंकि COVID भी था, 2 साल इधर-उधर सब थे.
Yeah, see, I was very nervous कल, because yesterday we launched our poster. लोगों ने इतना प्यार दिया, and they were so happy to see this, and I was like, wow, मतलब यही चाहिए. You know, it's just that you guys are loving whatever I'm doing, and you know, it makes me also responsible कि कुछ भी नहीं करना है. I'm also responsible towards my fans, and कोशिश यही रहती है. And but एक सच्ची में बात बताऊँ, फिल्म वाकई में अच्छी है. It's not that it's my first project, क्योंकि it's a rom-com, okay? तो जब मैंने फिल्म देखी, मुझे खुद भी हंसी आ रही थी, and एक तसल्ली थी दिल में कि अच्छा काम किया है. Like the project as a whole is good. Yeah.
So ऐसे नहीं कि सिर्फ आप बोल रहे हो इसलिए हम कह रहे हैं, we always love your work. So सुरभि, lastly एक और चीज़, पहले तो हम आपके सेट पे आके आपसे मिल लेते थे, ऑडियंस से डायरेक्ट कनेक्ट कर लेते थे, लेकिन आप सोशल मीडिया इज़ वन मीडियम. So how much you enjoy being on social media?
I actually totally love it. I just try and not see the part which I'm not supposed to like. So all I see is positivity, all I see is love and affection, and I think that really makes me strong. That really gives me a lot of power to just prove myself and to just be myself and to grow. And I think social media has just become, it's a boon, it's a good thing, it's all good, man.
So wish you all the very best. अभी तो फिल्म की है, बहुत सारी फिल्में करो, बहुत सारे वेब शोज करो, so many things coming. And lastly all the best from सास बहू और बेटियाँ.
Thank you. सास बहू और बेटियाँ की पूरी टीम को मेरी तरफ से बहुत प्यार. I know you guys since very long time, and I love this show. Please keep watching सास बहू and बेटियाँ, because I personally also love this.
Thank you so much for connecting. Thank you.